not a short story, that expresses the poet's inner conflict and emotional struggle between his Indian roots and the Western culture he has experienced. From Homecoming, by R. Parthasarathi, about the poet R. Parthasarathi, born 1934, is an Indian poet, translator, and critic. He wrote in English and Tamil and is best known for his poetry collection Rough Passage. His poems often deal with identity, alienation, language, and the experience of returning to India after living abroad. Summary in English: the poem, From Homecoming, describes the poet's feelings when he returns to India after living for many years in England. He feels confused, lonely, and disconnected. The country that once felt like home now seems strange to him. He notices the dirt, noise, and crowd of the city and feels alienated from his own people. Even the language, English, separates him from his roots, because though he is Indian, he thinks and writes in English. The poet feels torn between two worlds, the West, where he lived and learned new ideas, and India, where he was born but now feels like a stranger. He realizes that true belonging is not easy. It requires acceptance and understanding of one's own culture and self. The poem ends with a tone of sadness and reflection. He is home, but he doesn't feel at home. हिंदी में सारांश कवि आर. पार्थसारथी ने इस कविता में अपने मन की उलझन और पीड़ा व्यक्त की है. जब वह कई वर्षों तक विदेश, इंग्लैंड, में रहने के बाद भारत लौटते हैं. जब वे अपने देश वापस आते हैं, तो उन्हें वही देश अजनबी लगता है. सड़कें, लोग, भीड़, शोर, सब कुछ अलग सा लगता है. उन्हें महसूस होता है कि अब वे न तो पूरी तरह विदेशी हैं, न ही पूरी तरह भारतीय. कवि को अपनी भाषा और संस्कृति से भी दूरी महसूस होती है. वह अंग्रेजी में सोचते और लिखते हैं, पर उनका दिल भारतीय है. इसलिए उन्हें अपनी पहचान को लेकर अंदर से संघर्ष महसूस होता है. कविता के अंत में कवि यह समझते हैं कि घर लौटना, होमकमिंग, केवल शारीरिक नहीं, बल्कि आत्मिक यात्रा है, अपने भीतर की पहचान और जड़ों से जुड़ने की प्रक्रिया. थीम्स, प्रमुख विचार. थीम एक्सप्लेनेशन. आइडेंटिटी एंड बिलोंगिंग. द पोएट फील्स डिवाइडेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड द वेस्ट. Alienation. He feels like a stranger in his own homeland. Cultural conflict. Struggle between traditional Indian culture and Western influence. Language problem. Writing in English distances him from his native roots. Search for home. The poet realizes that home is not a place but a state of mind. Speech balloon. In short, exam-friendly answer. English. The poem, From Homecoming, by R. Parthasarathi shows the poet's feelings of confusion and alienation after returning to India from England. He feels out of place in his own country and struggles to reconnect with his roots. The poem reflects the pain of identity crisis and the search for a true sense of belonging. Hindi. From Homecoming, कविता में कवि आर. पार्थसारथी ने अपने देश लौटने के बाद महसूस की गई अजनबीपन की भावना को व्यक्त किया है. उन्हें अपने ही देश में अपनापन नहीं लगता. कविता में पहचान की खोज, भाषा का संघर्ष और सांस्कृतिक द्वंद्व को दर्शाया गया है.